Hey guys, welcome back to Ryan Gambles. We have another box opening today. Before we do though, we've opened 3 of the hangers, 3 blaster boxes, one of the jumbo hobby boxes, and last video we opened the 2 tins back there and had some pretty amazing hits in our first actually let's show you all of the cards we've got so far. So in our first jumbo, we got the Aaron Judge game used. We got the Torres black parallel chrome. We got the Whit Merrifield jumbo patch. In one of our hanger boxes, we got the Austin Meadows game used. In our jumbo, we got some pretty good hits. We got our autograph Tim Anderson. Hopefully we get another nice auto today. We got the black Jordan Zimmerman /69. And we got the Munzo rookie. I believe it's the Mother's Day 35/50. And then in the 2 tins that we opened just yesterday, we got our Torres patch auto 15/25. And then we got the best card that I currently own. I just started collecting again. The Vladdy black parallel 85 auto. Numbered 108/196. So that was a huge hit. I was just talking about how I was a Jays fan from Toronto, and that is one of the cards that I was most looking forward to actually getting. I've purchased a few Vladdies off eBay, but no autos. So that was something really nice to add to our collection. Then on top of that, we have our medallion cards. Buster Posey, Jose Altuve, and the Tatis. So those are pretty nice, but for the $30, we're done opening those blaster boxes. So today we have the Topps 2020 Baseball Series 1. Opening one of these again. Guaranteed auto, guaranteed relics in every box. So let's start off. Let's see what we get. Hoping for something nice. Maybe one of those dual autos or something. I haven't seen many of those yet. I haven't seen anybody with a golden ticket yet. So if you've seen that, let me know. I wouldn't mind seeing that video. We're also giving away the Home Run Challenge cards. All the ones we get, we'll be giving those away to subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and you'll be entered into winning one of those. So here we go. We got the oversized box loader that I don't really care for. You guys know I don't like the turkey red cards. I don't know why. Just don't like them. We have 2 silver packs. And then I think it's 10 jumbo packs. So some people said you can feel. I'm not good enough to be able to tell if there's anything in any of them. I'm going to try to save all the relics to the end anyways. Make it a bit more exciting. No, I have no idea. Well, that's weird. Bit of color misprint on that pack. That one almost feels heavier. I don't think you can tell. I don't think there's any way to tell. Alright, so we got all our packs here. And let's start. I'm going to go through this quick. I'm not going to explain each and every card. We've already been doing this for a month. Everybody knows the cards. So what we're looking for is the short prints. So that one has something in it. We'll leave that one to the end. These cards are really growing on me. I didn't like them originally. Ooh, that's really bent. Wow. That sucks. It's probably a base card. And it's an Oriole. And I'm a Jays fan, so that's alright. So let's just go through, see what we got. Put the rookies aside. This pack is really seen better days. Let's see. So I was a collector back in, oh, there's our Rhys Hoskins home run challenge. We'll be giving that away. It's a gold foil. Matt Carpenter, not a bad card. Ken Griffey. Too bad that's not signed. So yeah, I was a collector back in the late 80s. I used to collect baseball cards. And then my first full set was a 1990 Leafs Series 1 and 2. At the time, I was offered a bunch of money for it, and I turned it down because I thought that it was going to go up in value. And now you can buy the 90s Leafs for next to nothing. But hopefully with the resurgence in cards and people coming back into the collecting, we'll see the numbers go up, because it's fun to collect, but it's also nice to see the value go up as well in what you're purchasing. So after this jumbo hobby box, I will probably have 2 full base sets of the Series 1. So if that's the case, I mean, if I can get my subscriber count up, which currently it's absolutely nowhere, we will, that's a nice card, we will be giving away a full base set. Oh, look at that, Tatis. 31 of 50, Cal Ripken. It's a nice hit. Take that. Tatis Jr. Dodgers. There's the rookie card everybody's looking for, and everybody has. But yeah, once I finish my my second base set, I'll be giving that away. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, leave a like. It doesn't take much, and it helps out quite a bit. I don't know if you have better odds. See, I think that's something. Not probably wrong. We'll open it anyways. I don't know if you have better odds in this hitting the dual autos, or if you're better off buying the tins or the hangers. I think the hangers actually have the best odds of getting the gold cards. Phillies, Manny being Manny. There's a gold. Oh, there's our auto. Thought there was something in there. Luis Ariza from the Minnesota Twins. It's not on card. Baseball Stars. That's that. So that's not the greatest. There's a Wade Boggs. That's not the greatest signature card. Hopefully we get something that makes up for it. Oh, I thought that was something. It was just dirt. That's too bad. And that's that pack. So let's see what else we got going in here. I've seen a couple people get autos in here as well. So, I mean, we always have a chance, right? We'll see what we get. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more packs to go. So we're going through this pretty quick. I know my first video when I opened up my first box, it took a while. I don't know if looking for short prints, super short prints. What else are we looking for? The signatures are nice. That's a nice Vladdy. Like father, like son. It seems like if you get this card, the Biggio card follows right after almost every time I've got that. Oh, we got something coming up. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a lot of J's in this pack. Nice to get another J's autograph. Never turn that down. Of course, we're looking for the Polar Bear. We're looking for Rob Manfred. Any of those cards would be nice. No golds, no. Whoosh. This. Maybe we were just spoiled with the tins we opened yesterday, but this one's not looking very nice. I know we got the auto, but I think that that Ken Griffey card, numbered 1 to 50, is probably our best card so far. I don't know much about the signature guy. I'll have to look that up. But this is just a whole bunch of base cards and not much else. All right, so there we go. We got a gold card. Numbered to 2020. It's a nice hit. What's this? Ryan Sandberg. Diamondbacks. And right back into... I don't even know why I'm taking the rookies out. I'm not going to bother. A rookie card. That guy has a funny story. Let's keep going. Just a lot of base cards. I don't have any of the extended stats either. I haven't hit one of those. What else? I know Topps in the States is doing the Vladdy insert, which would have been nice to have in Canada. Instead, we got Hoskins. It's not as exciting, especially for us up here in Canada. I always think these are short prints, but they're not. They just kind of look like it. Let's see what we got coming up here. The futures. Michael Chavez. It's not a bad card. 1950s card. Mookie Betts. Not on Boston anymore. That's a good thing for the Jays. Not that we can compete with the Yankees this year, but... Or Tampa Bay, I guess, true. Wow. I really wish I found another tin. I mean, those tins were $25, $26, and this jumbo hobby box is $180. So quite a difference. There's our other hit. So these two packs are going to be full of base cards. Having a problem opening these today. I have to sign something good's in it. We'll see. No, looks like a lot of base cards. I like the jumbo box. I'm not getting any turkey reds, at least. I don't know why. I can't stand those. Bo Bichette. It's a good card. If I pass any short prints or anything, let me know. Here's that card we got in the gold foil. There's another gold. Ooh, we got a Manny being Manny gold there. 2020. We got the X Factor. Haven't had many of these at all. Actually, in everything I've opened, I think this is only my second one. Garrett Cole. Then back to all the base cards. Just right back. I went looking for more of the tins. Couldn't find them anywhere. Again, I went to two Walmarts and absolutely nothing. So I don't know if they're selling out or if they're just not getting them in or what it is, but they had nothing. Chris Archer. As you guys already know, spring training's already been canceled. And the season's not starting they pushed it back for 2 weeks, possibly more. It's not fun. There's a gold foil. I'll have to go back through these cards and see if there's... Ooh, that would have been nice signed. See if I have any extended stats cards or something, because this box I should have just left at the store. Oof. That's a whole lot of nothing. Well, let's hope these relics make up for it. And we still got our two silver packs. Let's just open the Turkey Red. Get that out of the way. I have no interest in these at all. I know some of you like them, but I don't know. Does nothing for me. All right, let's see. Let's open the skinny one first. The skinny one we got. One of these was a skinny. We don't have any bats. Some bat game used. So that might be cool, but I don't think that's a bat. I don't even know if this is one of the packs I thought felt heavier. Ooh, that pack that felt heavier is probably a, there's a Gavin Lux. That seems like the hardest rookie to get. Alvarez is everywhere. The heavier pack's probably one of those World Baseball, I would think. 269. I don't know why some of those just look like... Oh, okay, we weren't paying attention. Almost ruined it. Let's get through all these base cards first. See, to me that looks like a short print, but it's just a base card. George Springer. Okay, let's see what we got. I think we got that in our last pack. 2 of those. What do we have? Material card. Well, I mean, we got one of the material cards in a hanger box that cost $30. So there's a nice Gavin Lux. That's all right. Man, I like some of these cards better than the special cards they've put in. Miguel Cabrera. All right. Well, last regular pack we got here. This will be my last jumbo hobby of Series 1. I'll buy tins if I can find them, but it is hard to find around here. There is not many. Let me know if you guys are having better luck finding them. I might even buy some off eBay and pay the extra price for them. See, these guys are always together too. Just like the Jays, those guys are together. There's Mike Trout. But that's not the reverse. Oof. This box was rather disappointing, guys. Max Scherzer. I don't even know if we're going to have enough good cards to do a recap at the end here. All right, so here we go. We got a something here. Most of you can probably... Oh, Christian Yelich. Yeah, global game. I thought so. So maybe you can tell. There's another Gavin Lux. Maybe you can tell. Because I did say one of the packs were heavier, and I bet you it was this one with the metal in it. That's interesting. That's very... I'll have to check that out next time I go. I know some of you don't like that, but why not? I buy the box anyways. Rod Carew, Bellinger, and Ryan Braun. I like these cards. I wish the whole thing was like that. All right, so I mean, quick recap. We got our relic cards. That is definitely heavier. So the relic, not really a big fan of anything we got. The Rosario, New York Mets. And the best hit was this Cal Ripken Jr. 31 of 50. So we got these. Be nice to pull an auto in this. I gotta do some research and find out where people are getting their dual autos from. If it's from the Jumbo Hobbies or just the retail boxes, or where it's from. So let's see. They're all white. Clark. Oh, Gavin Lux. That's all right. Got lots of him. Another rookie. Nico Horner. All right. And let's see. If you haven't seen my tin opening, you should watch that video. It was just posted yesterday, or 2 days ago, I guess. Those were great. Ronald Acuna. Sean Murphy, Ryan Sandberg, and Clayton Kershaw. All right, guys. Sorry, we really didn't get much in that box. Check out my other videos. Subscribe. We're still giving away all these home run challenge cards. So subscribe, leave a comment, like the video.